Yeah, hello everyone. This is a embroidering company direct from the factory, you know. So I embroider, so we embroider ornaments, stickers, keychains, badges, refrigerator, earrings, buckles and towels. So we embroider a lot of products, you know. Chairs, sofas, we embroider, you know what I mean? Okay, guys, we are a reliable company. Durability is our key. You know, we are the state of the art. State of the art. That means we have the latest design. So we have the latest design. We are innovative company. So it's direct from the factory. Our product is eco-friendly. Environmental friendly. So just contact us. So we have a lot of designs, like you see. We embroider bags, slippers, camera, like iPod. So we embroider all those products. Also, we embroider, you can see cups, luggages, skateboarding, what I mean. So we embroider a lot of products, So we also embroider something like a poster, something you can put on the wall. So like example, we also embroider what? T-shirt, we embroider t-shirt, cups. No matter what you need, we embroider all this with different design. Remember, we also customize. You can also bring your own design that we can watch it and do it for you. All right. So you gotta remember this direct from the factory. So you gotta see this one when we embroider what? There is a picture on the wall, yeah, it's a flame, what I mean. Okay, you also see this one example. You see, these are earrings, so we embroider earrings, yes, even sneakers, we embroider sneakers, what I mean. Okay, guys, so let's keep on going. We embroider earrings. These are all earrings, ornament, so yeah, we embroider what? All the stuff you're seeing here. All this we embroidered. This is our design. You gotta remember, this is our design. This is just a sample for you to see. So this is all our design, Okay, guys, please contact us. Don't be afraid, just contact us. We are reliable, direct from the factories, guys,